Hi, this is the Pixel tab and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So we should first open the Play Store and in the search bar we should enter the Muviz Edge application because unfortunately we have now installed by default the AD option on our tablet. That's why we should hit always on Edge Music Lighting up. So tap the install button now and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, tap to open the app, click to draw our apps and tap to Muviz Edge. Here tap to the switcher and go back to the application. Tap to AD section and select one from the available tabs. Click to apply. Now tab applied successfully, so let's just lock the device and we could see that we just successfully activated the AD option on our Pixel tab. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.